fully automatic machine installation terminal, including cutting valve, stripping valve, and installing the terminal at both ends of the valve. After the terminal are installed, count and 500 valves into a bundle. Insert one side terminal of the valve on the screen connector. Insert the pin leader manually, correspond to the color of the valve and the interface of the terminal, lead of which can be wrong. Well stranding, twisted pair. Insert the other side terminal of the valve on the panel rubber seal. Insert the pin leader of the two-point terminal manually, correspond the color of the valve and the interface of the terminal, lead of which can be wrong. Check the electrical performance. If pass is displayed on the screen, the function is OK. Visual inspection. Inspect the defects of terminal and collector interface manually. Wipe a ground valve and a layer aluminum magnesium braided shading light under the outer layer of the line. Wipe a layer of acetate cloth on the outermost layer of the lines. Visual inspection again. Check the electrical performance again. If pass is displayed on the screen, the function is OK. Packing 10 pieces in the bundle. Wipe the head with peel foam and tie it tightly with a rubber ring. Pack 5 bundles in a plastic bag. Seal the plastic bag and pack it.